Hey guys, it's Amber. So today we are going to be doing My Son Does My Makeup. This is my to-be 11-year-old son, and he's going to be doing my makeup today. So I think we should probably zoom in a little bit so everyone can see what you're doing, and we'll just get started. Okay. I'm going to let you pick the colors. Do you want me to have access to a mirror or no mirror the whole time?
No mirror, please.
No mirror. Do you want me to see what product you're using, or do you want me to just keep my eyes closed?
I want to keep your eyes closed.
Okay, well let's zoom in. Let's get started. All right, so he has picked out a few things that he's going to use, and we're also going to have him use my Colourpop Golden State of Mind. I never got a look up with this last month, so I'm going to let him play in it and see what he can come up with. Maybe use a couple colors, so that'll be fun. Switch things up a little bit. All right, bud. So I'm ready. My face is a canvas and you are the artist.
Okay, so I kind of had directions on this stuff.
Yes, so this one has a pump. I usually mix the two, but just be careful with this one because I'll just help you with this just so you don't make a mess because it's kind of drippy. Okay.
Okay, so I'll put it on there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna, and then what I would do is just dot it over my face and then go from there.
Okay, like where on your face?
Like you could just like dot it around and then blend it in. And just do the best you can. Oh, I forgot my hair.
Okay, so I just go like. Let's go to your nose. Okay, I think I'm doing pretty good so far. Okay, so now I just blend this in.
Yep, you just blend it in so it just looks even. Okay. You can ask me questions if you want, but I'm not going to tell you. You get to choose.
Okay, so. Okay, there we go. And now. Oh, she said put on this concealer. Let's see, does it have any directions? I'm guessing you're gonna put this somewhere on her face. Let's see. Where would this go? I'm trying to visualize where your makeup is. I think this goes on your nose. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit. Okay, so,
a little goes a long way, that's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, so, now I'm gonna blend it in, because, okay, so let's kind of blend that in with your normal skin, to make your nose, better. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so now.
Did you check this side?
Yep, looks pretty good. Okay, so how do I open this? Okay. Okay. So then we have this stuff. It has a mirror in this. What is this? It says matte and glow.
So the matte side is just a powder to go all over your face, and the glow side is like what you put for where you want shimmer.
Okay, I'm gonna change my brushes real quick. Actually, I'm gonna take this brush, and then I'm gonna put the glow. I like my mommy very shimmery, so I'm just gonna go on this. Shimmering mommies are the best ones. Okay, so
I'm gonna be a glimmering goddess.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we have cheeky hotspot, whatever. I'm gonna say this is an eyeshadow. Does this go like?
So eyeshadows you can put on my eyeshadow on my lids.
It's not eyeshadow.
Oh, that's an eyeshadow brush. Do you want a blush brush? I would pick something a little fluffier.
Okay, so what is this? The cheeky hotspot stuff?
Yeah, that's a blush.
Okay, so I put this on your cheeks. Okay. That looks like an this one just like going like, okay. And I'm gonna use the same color so it doesn't look too bad.
I like your reasoning. Although that could be a trend, 2 different colors of blush.
Okay, and now. Oh, yeah, looks good. Okay. Okay, so now we have the lipstick. Oh. Okay, shall we just go like this?
You're making me Miranda.
I got the big lips!
Did you get on this side?
I know, like that. Okay, I need a little bit more on this side.
I don't think so.
Okay, there we go.
I think I got a little overline going.
Very shiny. Okay. Are we gonna do a close up of this?
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we have the eyeshadow. Ooh.
So you can use your fingers, you can use a brush, the little brushes, whatever suits your fancy.
Okay. This is the fun part.
It is.
Okay, should we put this around your eye? I bet I did better than my sister. So, like, do we put this on your eyelid or? Okay. I need a better brush.
Now your challenge is to make them look the same on each eye.
Wait, do I really? I was gonna change colors, but.
Hey, I allow for creative control. Go fight win.
Okay, so I'm gonna make it like. Okay, so you have the diamond eye on this eye. Okay, there we go, on diamond eye. And now, let's go for like this color. Okay, so let's do like, oh, I kind of got that up there, but that's okay. I feel like an artist. Who feed the Mona Lisa, like Leonardo da Vinci or something? Okay. Okay, is there anything else to add on your face? Like,
you could try putting on mascara if you dare, but you can't poke me in the eye.
Okay.
I didn't let your sister do this, so.
Okay. What do I do?
Okay, you brush that onto my eyelashes.
Ooh.
And try not to get it on my nose. You can kind of go up like this. That makes it a little easier. Okay, I'm a little scared. Okay, let's try the other side.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, how do you want?
I've kind of got... Oh, you did get it on my nose. You want to know, like...
What do you like?
I've kind of got Rich Lux vibes going on. Here, let's just clean it up off my nose a little because I know you didn't intend to put it there. So I'll help you with that. Ooh, that's really close. Hello, world!
This isn't shimmering. What is it supposed to do?
If you want a really, really good highlight, you want something more sparkly, then you have to dig into these drawers.
Oh, okay.
That one's just more subtle. This one, that's a good one if you want something more highlighty.
Okay. Okay, so I just like...
Let's back this up a little.
In here.
Hold on.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so I'm just going like... Do I just go like that?
Yeah, or on my cheeks. Wherever you feel.
Massage day.
Massage.
Anything else?
You're the artist, so you tell me.
Okay.
Do you want to put on eyeliner?
Oh, what's that?
Okay. This takes a lot of trust. This is like a liquid pen marker, and you could draw a line along the top of my lashes to give me eyeliner.
Can I just do it wherever?
No mustaches. That's my only rule. I don't want a mustache.
Okay.
Okay, be careful. Don't poke my eye out.
Okay.
No mustaches.
I wasn't gonna give you a mustache.
No beards. Only on the eye area. No facial hair.
Okay.
I think my eyes have freckles. Ta-da!
Okay.
You know, the faux freckles was kind of a trend there.
Is there like little dots on the side?
I think now you're just being silly. All right, well, I think we'll just end that here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Do this on your moms.